hey, happy birthday. So
You call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you. Wake up in your bedroom and there's nothing left to say. When I try to talk, you're always playing board games. I wish I had Monopoly over your mind. I wish I didn't care all the time. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing the play date to you. Ring around the rosy. I never know, I never know what you need. Ring around the rosy. I wanna give you what you need.
Happy birthday, Prachi. God bless you, beta. Hi.
I don't give a fuck about you anyways. Whoever said I give a shit about you? You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hi, Modi. Even another Modi. Happy birthday,
I
Prachi.
give a fuck about you every day. Guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys
Happy birthday, Anuksha. I really miss you and I hope you're not mad at me. Please come to Pune when all of this gets over, and you have 2 reasons to come to Pune now, if you know what I mean. And I want to pamper you because you'll always be my first date. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday. I miss you. हमारी dates.
You call me on the
फटाफट पुणे
telephone,
आओ
you feel so
है ना,
far away.
अपन वाली ट्रिप पे चलेंगे. ठीक है, I'm just too excited for that. और बाकी सब अपन फोन पे बात कर लेंगे. Okay, love you and happy birthday.
Me alone.
Happy birthday, Prachi bolo, Anuksha, yeah, Anushka. I'm always confused with her name. But anyways, a very happy birthday. Hope this quarantine birthday is better than the previous ones. I mean, I hope you're getting to read those unfinished books which you've always wanted, and listen to music and doing all the things which you always wanted but couldn't get enough time. So yeah. And you're a true artist. I mean, you spin gold with your words, and I mean this. Anyways, happy birthday once again. Very happy birthday. Prachi, take care.
Hey Anuksha, wish you a very happy birthday. तो memories बहुत सारी हैं. First of all, we really so nostalgia. We had a huge lot of fun, और we really had a lot of memories from Sari to you, from my soul to you, and there are so many. So I just want to wish you good luck for your future and wish you very
Hey Anuksha, wishing you a very happy quarantine birthday. I hope you are doing well, and thank you for being there and being a memorable part of my college life, and still you are. But those days were really great, and thank you for supporting me. and for all my endeavors and our team's endeavors which we did and took during our Srijan college time. Wishing you a very happy birthday again. Thank you.
Happiest birthday to the most amazing girl of our Kota gang. Enjoy your day to the fullest. मस्ती कर, धमाल कर, but रह घर के अंदर. I wish you will have a great life ahead with your hectic career, sexy husband, chubby chubby kids. Hashtag Royal Cottage की sleeping beauty. We all love you so much. Happy birthday once again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अनुक्षा. देखो कौन तुम्हें विश करना चाहता है.
A very happy birthday, Anuksha. May this year you read more, write more, and watch more movies, especially of Shahid's. Happy birthday.
Hello Nuksha. This has been our very long journey together. Since working with Shruti Orkut ma'am to now working with Shruti Agarwal. From starting with Aditya sir teaching us how to stalk someone, through Rashmi ma'am, Jayan sir, Vandana ma'am, Anupama ma'am, Atul sir, and many people with us around. This has been a very great journey. From you and me writing, to you and me being a team partner, to you and me being event organizer together, to you and me being PR partners, the Westman Raiders, finally the film festival, the queer club which never happened, it will surely be happening someday, being this amazing thing. This has been a tremendous journey of our being together, and I hope
Let all your dreams to be on a fire and light your birthday candles for the dead. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Anuksha. Stay blessed.
Hey, happy birthday. Lots of love. And thank you for everything. You are already missed, being missed, and you won't be spared for the party. Please come soon after this coronavirus ends. And again, lots of love and happy birthday.
You know I give a fuck about you every day. 'Cause it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.
Likey.
Hey Anuksha, hi. First of all, a very happy birthday to you. And you were one of the major support systems that I had in Kota. Having a very good old friend like you there actually made it kind of easier. And I mean, you know how harsh Kota is, so there's that. But you're one of the oldest friends I have. I've known you for a very long time, and we might have lost a little touch over the years, but you're one of the smartest intellectuals I know of. So yeah, I wish you all the happiness, all the success in the upcoming years, and stay sane, and very happy birthday to you again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Anuksha. Wish you a very happy birthday, Anuksha.
I still remember the first time I met you. It was during the Ardor auditions, and since then till now you've been the same. The same positive Anuksha, the same optimistic Anuksha, and the same Anuksha who cares for everybody. And I really hope you stay the same. Is the thing that I really want to learn from you. I don't know how to do that. So wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day, a great quarantine birthday, and stay safe. Enjoy a lot. Bye.
Hi Anuksha, wishing you a very happy birthday, and I hope you're keeping safe, and I just hope that you do great in your future. Wishing all the good fortune and good health to you. And I still remember the time like when we met in first year for the first time during Ardor, and you were like crazy, you were irritating, but still we became like really good friends, and it's been a long journey from first to fourth year. So yeah, cheers to that. Cheers. I hope you have fun in your birthday and stay home. Baar mat jana.
Happy birthday, Anuksha. So, what if you're not with me right now? I have this toy version of you forever with me. I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you. अगर तू नहीं होती तो मेरे कॉलेज के 4 साल कैसे निकलते मुझे नहीं पता, मेरी फार्मेसी होती भी या नहीं. थैंक यू. मेरे ग्रेजुएशन का पहला अचीवमेंट तुझे जाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ यू आई मेड इट टू फाइनल ईयर. थैंक यू सो मच.
About you every day, 'cause it's time that I tell you the truth.
I love you so much.
If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you.
And ending this video. Bye bye.
Hey Anuksha, happy birthday. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for existing. Thank you for doing all the good things for us. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey Anuksha, happy birthday to dear teddy bear, and ऐसे ही हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, दिखते रहो. काफ़ी अच्छा राइटर बनोगे आगे चलकर. तो यही शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ मैं आपको. और stay happy, stay blessed.
Hey Anuksha, happy quarantine birthday. So finally you get a peaceful birthday you always wanted to have. But don't worry, we'll definitely celebrate it in our way, how we have to celebrate it after lockdown. You know, you are the most wise person among us four, but at the same time the slowest one. But we believe that slow and steady wins the race, so you will definitely make us proud, and we'll say that, look, that Kachua is our friend. Our friendship has been best thing in this 4 year, and I know it's going to be last for life. Enjoy your day, lots of love. Once again, happy birthday, and see you soon.
Hey darling, here wishing you a really very happy lockdown wala birthday. So sad this year you can't party outside, but you are with your family where you always wanted to be with. So enjoy with your loved ones. Keep shining like you always do. I really miss our long gossips in the hostel, eating together, going out together, gossiping together. Those nights of endless chattings. I really miss all this. I love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मोटी. 1 साल और कम हो गया, तू 1 साल और बुढ़ी हो गई. आई स्टिल हेट यू फॉर चूजिंग बायो. एनीवेज, हैप्पी बर्थडे. मीट मी सून.
Happy birthday Anuksha. May you have fun today. May you enjoy today. May you feel graceful today. And I hope भगवान तेरी सुन ले. And ये क्वारंटीन जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाए यार, बहुत बोरिंग है. चलो, have fun. Love yourself.
Many happy returns of the day, Anuksha. You know, the one thing I like about you is your maturity and your practicality. And वैसे तो जब से हम मिले तो हमने हमेशा अच्छी मेमोरीज ही बनाई है. बट एक मेमोरी तो मुझे हमेशा याद आती है, वो अपना पार्किंग में खड़े होके पूरे दिन का डिस्कशन करना, इसकी उड़ाना उसकी उड़ाना. और मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि मे यू अचीव ऑल द सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ, एंड यू नो आई लव यू अ लॉट. बाय.
कैसी है? हाँ भाई, तू तो याद नहीं करेगी तो हम सोचे हम ही याद कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. अब तो भाई लॉकडाउन में तो बाहर जा नहीं सकते, तो दिस इज़ द ओनली वे वी कैन विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. और अब तू तो याद करती नहीं है. स्कूल भाई, जब से स्कूल से निकले हैं तब से एक बार ना कोई मैसेज, ना कुछ, ना कैसा है, ना क्या है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो जाने दे, फिर तेरे से पक्का पार्टी लूँगा. हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन.
हाय ब्रो, कैसा है? विश यू मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू. इन्जॉय लॉट. वैसे क्या इन्जॉय करेगा, लॉकडाउन है, बट फिर भी इन्जॉय विथ योर फैमिली. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Happy birthday Anuksha.
Happy birthday Anuksha. No long messages, no long texts, no long paragraphs, just a single word. I love you.
Hi Anuksha, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. We've had some crazy times, be it those trips or those long gossip sessions we've had pre or post event. I just want you to know you're a gem of a person, and no matter how much I pull your leg, I always love you and I'll always be there for you. Bye.
Hi Miss Bharat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Miss Bharat. Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Miss Butter. Happy long life to you. पहचान लेना यार, ये सब क्वारंटाइन का असर है। और मुझे जो मेमोरीज़ तेरे बारे में याद आती है वो अपन तो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्किंग थी, बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव थी। और जब अपने को हाउस बोट बनाने वाली बात आती थी तो सिर्फ मैं तुझे पकड़ता था और हम काफ़ी मतलब उस टाइम जीतते भी थे, पॉइंट्स भी इंक्रीज़ होते थे, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आती थी। तो वो सारी मेमोरीज़ याद है, जेल में निकलना और तफरी करना, मस्ती आना, वो सारी बातें बहुत याद आती है। और या स्टे ब्लेस्ड यार, अब कितनी बड़ी हो गई है और gorgeous भी हो गई है बहुत ज़्यादा। एंड या stay blessed, stay happy, and it's your day. Enjoy and cheer up, party hard. Happy birthday, Miss Bharat.
Hello, कैसी है तो मोटे? हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, खुश रहना बस तू। बाय। हाय बेटा, बस तू खुश रहे, तू बहुत अच्छी है, बस तू अच्छी रहना, ठीक है? बाय बाय।
Hi Anuksha, a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day and have a blast. Each and every day spent with you in Kota has been very memorable to me. We have made some of the best memories and I truly cherish them a lot. Have fun. I seriously miss you a lot. Let's meet soon and yeah, keep that beautiful smile of yours intact. Thank you for being the most amazing and supportive friend.
हे अनुष्का, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स नॉट अनुक्षा, इट्स गोलू। और देख, मैंने तेरा नाम सही बोला है। बाय द वे, थैंक यू फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग माय साइड। यू रिमेंबर मैं हाई होकर तेरे को कॉल करता था चेन्नई में और तू समझाती थी मेरे को। थैंक यू फॉर दैट। एन्जॉय योर डे। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू द मोस्ट संस्कारी लड़की ऑफ आवर ग्रुप।
Happy birthday, Anuksha. I think the best memory I have with you is the food fest we did together, and we both know how we managed to bring the ice cream for the brownies.
Happy birthday!
Hi Francie, wish you a very very happy birthday. You're one of the most innocent, kind, loving, caring and cutest people I've ever met. It's always fun to crack double meaning jokes around you. Always be the same and we all love you the way you are. Once again, happy birthday! Bye!